Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to tackle a common and annoying issue, your computer waking up from sleep mode all by itself. If you are tired of finding your PC awake when it should be in deep slumber, stick around. I have got some great tips to fix this issue once and for all. First up, we are going to find out what exactly is waking up the computer. Click on the Start menu. In search box, type CMD. Under Best Match, you will find this command prompt. Then navigate right to the command prompt to run it as an administrator. Click on Run as Administrator. Type here this command power CFG, then give a space, and then provide hyphen, last wake, and then press Enter from your keyboard. This command will show what caused your computer to wake up last time. In my case, there was no such wake-up issue in past, so the current wake source count is 0. But if it is showing count other than 0 in your case, then you will find the issues here listed in the result. So, please check this logs carefully. Now, let's check for wake timers. Type here in the command prompt power CFG again space, hyphen, wake, timers. This command is going to help you to find the scheduled tasks that are causing your PC to wake up. If you find any, you might need to adjust or disable them. Another tip is to modify your Windows Update settings. So, let's find out. To do that, go to the Start menu and open the settings. On the Settings page, navigate down to Windows Update here. Then to the right, under More Options, click on the Advanced Options. Then navigate to the active hours. By default, the system is showing active hours between 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. You can manually select your active hours, specifying the time range during which you want to defer updates. This will prevent your computer from waking up for updates at an inconvenient times. If you're a Windows 11 Pro user and you want to explore further, you will need to access the Group Policy Editor settings. To do this, press the Windows and R keys simultaneously to open the Run command window. Type here this command gpedit MSC, then click OK. In the local Group Policy Editor settings, navigate to Computer Configuration. Once you're there, double-click on Administrative Templates. After that, head into Windows Components. Scroll down and navigate to find out this Windows Update here. Double-click. Then under Settings page, you will see this Legacy Policies. Double-click here. Click once on the setting column bar. At this point, all the settings will be arranged in alphabetical order. Look for Enable Windows Update Power Management to automatically wake up the system to install Scheduled Update setting. Double-click here and set this setting to Disabled. Hit Apply and then click OK. Windows sometimes automatically runs maintenance tasks once per day, including updates, security scans, and other scheduled jobs. To prevent these tasks from waking up your computer on their own, you need to manage certain settings. So, let's check this next tip in details. Simply launch your Run command by pressing Window and R button together. Type here the command Control and hit OK. This will open up your All Control Panel items. Here, try and locate Security and Maintenance. And if your Control Panel shows under Category sections, then you can reach from here as well. Under Systems and Security, you can come here, and then under Security and Maintenance, you can click here. To reach this Maintenance page, under this Maintenance, if you click here on this downward pointing arrow, you will find this Change Maintenance Settings. Click here. And from here, you can manage your automatic maintenance runtime to somewhere around 5 p.m. Because I don't want to wake up at 2 a.m., I want to be sure, okay, if there's any kind of maintenance, then it will be there at 5 or 6 p.m. Please make sure that you have this box unchecked, because if this box is checked, then your system will wake up at the given scheduled time. So, please do come here and check this box, and then make sure that this box is remain unchecked. Another reason your PC may wake up is due to certain behaviors caused by USB devices. To check that, open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Under Best Match, you will see Device Manager. Click here. This will open up System Device Manager. Under the Device Manager, look for the Universal Serial Bus Controllers and check for USB root devices like USB 3.0, 2.0. So, go ahead and check this one. Here in my case, I am selecting the USB root device 3.0. Once selected, do a right-click and then go to Properties, and then switch to the Power Management view here. Make sure that this box is unchecked, because if this box is checked, your device will get awake whenever somebody try to insert the matching USB drive or device. So, check this out, as this could be one of the reasons of your PC to waking up. Now it's time to check under the Windows control panel, your power option settings. Launch the Windows Start menu and type Edit Power Plan in the search box. Under Best Match, you will see this Edit Power Plan. Click here. Under Edit Power Plan Settings, go to Change Advanced Power Settings. This will open up your power options, and then click on the Expand Sleep button. Click to expand Allow Wake Timers. Currently, the settings of On Battery is Important Wake Timers only. Click on the downward arrow, and then from the selection menu, choose Disable. Similarly, come here under Plugged In Settings as well. Choose to disable and then hit Apply, and then click OK. Last but not least, open the system window PowerShell just by doing a right-click on your Start button like this. Then go to Windows Terminal Admin. Click here and type this command. Now, press Enter. This is going to help you find out if there is any of the scheduled tasks that is designed to wake up your PC. And if you find that some of the tasks which are important and have been disabled, then follow these steps. Launch your Start button again and type here Task Scheduler. Under Best Match, it will be showing Task Scheduler on top. Click here. Under Task Scheduler, you will get all the list of the applications that are scheduled to run at certain period of time, like for example, if you want to check for the CC Cleaner update properties, then go to the Conditions view. Here you will find to wake the computer to run this task. Now, you can enable this checkbox and hit OK. So, in this way we can manage your tasks that are scheduled to run, and you can wake up your system accordingly if that is important. In this way you can find out the reasons and manage the settings to control the wake-up settings of your computer. And please remember, whenever there's new software, hardware, or a Windows update, the issue of the system waking up can occur again. You might have to revisit these settings. If the tips shown in the video are helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Until my next video, take care and bye-bye.